Hello and welcome to this video on MVVM architecture. MVVM stands for Model-View-ViewModel, and it is a software design pattern that is commonly used in the development of applications, particularly those built using the WPF framework. The MVVM pattern helps to separate the application into three distinct components: the model, the view, and the view model. The model is responsible for managing the data and the business logic of the application. It is the part of the application that communicates with the database and performs all of the necessary calculations. The view is responsible for presenting the data to the user. It is the part of the application that the user interacts with and sees on their screen. The view model is a layer that sits between the model and the view. It is responsible for exposing the data from the model to the view, as well as handling any user interactions with the view. One of the main benefits of the MVVM pattern is that it allows for a clear separation of concerns between the different components of the application. This makes it easier to test and maintain the code over time. Another benefit of the MVVM pattern is that it enables developers to use data binding to automatically synchronize the view with the model. This means that any changes to the model are automatically reflected in the view, without the need for any additional code. That's a brief overview of MVVM architecture. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.